34th question, children. A pole is painted red and white. The red portion is 1.8 meter long and the white portion is 3 times as long as the red portion. How long is the pole? So let's write the length of the pole given. Length of the pole is equal to length of red plus length of white portion, children. So what is the length of red portion first? Length of the red portion is given already. Red portion is already given, so it is 1.8. 1.8 meters, and white portion is 3 times as long as the red portion. So now what is the length of white portion? So what is the length of the white portion, children? 3 into length of red portion. So right here 3 into how much? Length of the red portion is 1.8 given. So 18 into 3 is nothing but 54. So after one digit decimal is there, so put a decimal over here. Now how long is the pole means? Length of the pole. So length of red plus length of white portion. So write the red portion 1.8 plus white portion is 5.4. Then add these two. 8. 4 plus 8 is nothing but 12. 1 carry. 5 plus 1 is nothing but 6 plus 1, 7. 7.2 meters long. So option A 5.4 wrong. Option B 7.2 meters is the right answer. 35th question. 60,057,403 will be written as. See, if you observe on the options, this is 60,057,403. This is 60,570,403. This is 5 lakhs, but here it's given 57,000, so this will not be the answer. And 60,574,030. This will not be the answer. 60,057,430. 403 must be there, so this is 430. So this is also wrong. So option A 60,057,403. Option A is the right answer. So 1 million is equal to, if you write in lakhs, 1 million is nothing but 10 lakhs, children. 1 million is equal to 10 lakh. So here it's given lakhs, 10 lakhs, 100 lakhs. So lakhs are converted into millions. 100 lakhs is nothing but 10 million. So 6 into 10, 60. 60,057,403 is the answer. 36th question. The cost of a notebook is rupees 12. How many maximum number of notebooks can be purchased with a 200 rupees note? So let's write one notebook is equal to rupees 12. So total amount of money is equal to, total amount of money given is equal to rupees 200. So maximum number of notebooks can be purchased is equal to, purchased, can be purchased is nothing but total amount divided by one notebook amount. So 200 divided by 12. So 12 ones are 12. We are remained with 8. It becomes 80. So 12 6 are 72. We are remained with again 8. So put a point, take a 0. 12 6 are 72. So again we are remained with 8. So point is there, we can take 0. So 12 6 is 72. So it will be repeated. We could write it as 16.67. So approximately we could consider 16 as our answer. So option A 16 is the right answer, children. 37th question. In a school, the number of girls is 3 by 4th of the total students. If total number of students in the school is 320, then find the number of boys in the school. Let's write the total number of students first. Number of girls is equal to 3 by 4th of the total students. 3 by 4 into 320. So 4 ones are 4 eights are 32. 4 zeros are 0. So 3 into 8 is nothing but 3 eights are 24. 3 into 0 is 0. So then find the number of boys in the school. Number of boys is equal to let's write a short form. Total number of students write as total minus number of girls write as girls. So 320 minus 240. Let's subtract 0 minus 0 0. 2 minus 4 will not go, take a borrow. So it becomes 12. 12 minus 4 is nothing but 8. It becomes 2 over here. 2 minus 2 is 0. So total number of boys 80. Option A 160 wrong. Option B 90 wrong. Option C 80 is the right answer, children. 38th question. A farmer planted sugarcane in a rectangular plot of 266 square meter area. If breadth of the plot is 40 meters, then find its length. So let's write area of rectangular plot is equal to 266 square meters. Breadth of the plot is equal to 14 meters. So let's write in a short form, children. Area is equal to L into B, length into breadth. So we are given with area of the plot and breadth of the plot. So we are supposed to find length of the plot. So write length equal to area by breadth. What is the area given, children? It's 266 divided by 14. So cancel. 14 ones are 14. So remained with 8. It becomes 86. So 14 nines are 86. So option A 23 meters wrong. Option B 21 meters wrong. Option C 13 meters wrong. Option D 19 meters is the right answer, children. 39th question. A sweet shop sells 248 rasgullas every day. If the cost of one rasgulla is rupees 12, then how much amount will the shop earn in 5 days? So first, write rasgulla as R, children. So 1 R is equal to rupees 12. Cost of 248 rasgullas, 248 R is equal to 12 into 248. 12 into 8, 12 8 is 96. 12 4 is 48. 48 plus 9, 57. 12 2 is 24. 24 plus 5, 29. So we got cost of 248 rasgullas as 2976. So how much amount will the shop earn in 5 days? So we are supposed to find amount in 5 days. Amount earned in 5 days is equal to 5 into 2976 976. So 5 6 are 33. 4 5 7s are 35. 35 plus 3 38. 5 9s are 45. 45 plus 3 48. 4 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 4 14. So 14,880 is the answer. Option A, rupees 14,880 is the answer, children. So question number 40. Rehan went for dance class at 5:30 a.m. He returned home after 45 minutes. At what time did he return home? So he went to dance class at 5:30 a.m. He returned after 45 minutes. So we could write it as half an hour plus quarter past. 5:30 plus half an hour is nothing but 6 a.m. 6 a.m. plus 15 minutes is nothing but 6:15 a.m. 6 hours 15 minutes is the answer. So 5:45 a.m. wrong. Option B 6:15 a.m. is the right answer, children. Question number 41. NGOP collected 72 lakhs 53,052 books and NGOQ collected 45 lakhs 56,759 books at a charity drive. Which NGO collected more number of books? If you see in question, more number means you have to get the difference between the numbers. So here we are supposed to get the difference between P and Q. P is 72 lakhs 53,052 books and Q is 45 lakhs 56,759 books. Now try to get the difference between these two numbers. 2 minus 9 will not go, so take a borrow 12. So 12 minus 9 is 3. 4. So 4 will not go, take a borrow. 14 minus 5 is 9. Take a borrow. It becomes 9. 9 minus 7 is 2. So here it went borrow, it becomes 2. 2 minus 6 will not go, take a borrow. 12 minus 6 is 6. So if it's given 1 over here, it becomes 4. 4 minus 5 will not go, take a borrow. It becomes 14. 14 minus 5 is 9. So here it becomes 1. 1 minus 5 will not go, take a borrow. It becomes 11. 11 minus 5 is 6. So here it becomes 6. 6 minus 4 is 2. So 22 lakhs 96,293 is the answer. So NGOQ, NGOP both collected equal books. D can't be determined. So our answer is NGOP. B is the answer. Option B is the correct answer, children.